this a whirl, see how we get on. So you might remember this from last lesson. I brought Bill and Ted back again. I know you guys like Bill and Ted. And they're going to share £240 in the ratio 5-3. And we want to know how much do they get each. So we looked at this really briefly last lesson, just before we finished. And I don't know if you'll all remember, but we did this in a bar modelling method. So down the side, I'm going to put Bill here and Ted here, okay? And next to Bill, we're going to get 5 little boxes. And there's 5, 3, 4, 5, because Bill's name comes first, so Bill gets the first number in the ratio, okay? So that means Ted gets the 3 portions. And as best as you can, make sure that these are lined up, okay? Won't cause too many issues right now, but with what we're going to do next, in the next couple of lessons, it will make it much easier. These are lined up really nicely. So one box below each other. Okay, so we've got 5 parts here and 3 parts here. So for every £5 Bill gets, Ted gets £3. And we could do that. We could say 5 for you, 3 for me, 5 for you, 3 for me, and so on, till all the money was gone. But that would take quite a long time. So the faster way is to say, okay, altogether, these parts here have to equal £240, okay, altogether. And if we know that our £240 has to be split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal-sized portions, okay, so the mathematical way to do that is 240 divided by 8. Okay, and ideally we can do this without using the calculator, because it's a really nice chance to practice doing the bus stop method. So we've got 240 divided by 8. Put an equals there, look. 8's going to 2, they don't go. Okay, not to give us a whole number, so they carry the 2 forward here. 8 into 24 gives us 3. There are 3 8s in 24. And 8's into 0, there are none. Okay, so 240 divided by 8 is 30. Okay, so each of these little boxes is worth £30. So I'm going to write them in. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30. Okay, and now it's very lovely because actually all we can see here is that Bill gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 30. So there's different ways of doing it. We could do 30, add 30, add 30, add 30, add 30. But the faster way will be to do 30 times 5, because there are 5 of them. Okay, which gives us 0 here. And here we get 15, so put the 5 here, 1 there. So Bill's going to get £150. Ted is going to get 30 times 3. 30 times 3, which gives us 0 here and 9. Okay, and the last thing we need to do down in the corner, the last thing we always need to do is a check. And if you think about it, we've shared out £240 between Bill and Ted. So altogether, they should have £240. We want to make sure they haven't lost any money along the way. So we've got Bill's portion, £150. Add Ted's, which is 90. We're going to add them together, and we're hoping, if we've done it right, we're going to get 240. So 9 add 5 is 14. Carry the 1 up there. 1, 2. So the check works, okay? So got it